Correct. Good morning, students. Today we solve problem based on the polar form. And to solve the questions related to the polar form, we use these 4 steps. This is the question: z is equal to a plus iota b, and we want to convert this form into the polar form. We want to convert this form to polar form. This is polar form. R cos theta plus iota sin theta. Here R is the modulus. Modulus, with the help of this formula you can find R, and this is theta. Theta you can find with the help of this. Firstly you find tan alpha is equal to mod of b by a. After that, check your point A and B lies in which quadrant. A is the real part of Z and B is the imaginary part of Z. Then argument of Z theta you decide with the help of this table. If your point lies in the first quadrant, then your argument is alpha. From here you can write direct. If your point lies in second quadrant, then your argument theta is pi minus alpha. If your point lies in the third quadrant, then your argument of Z is minus pi minus alpha. If your point lies in the fourth quadrant, then the argument of Z is alpha. So there are 4 steps to solving the questions of polar form. First, find mod of Z. Second, tan alpha. And third, find the point lies in which quadrant. And with the help of quadrant, you can write the argument of Z. Clear? Now we start questions. Z is equal to 1 minus root 3 iota. When you compare with the standard form, then A is equal to 1 and B is equal to minus root 3. B means the coefficient of iota, and here coefficient of iota is minus root 3. AB you know. Now use first step, that is R. Formula square root of A square plus B square, and you get 1 square plus minus root 3 square. 3 plus 1 4, root 4 2. And the second step, find tan alpha, mod of B by A. What is the value of B? B minus root 3 upon 1. Minus root 3 upon 1. Achha, modulus mean absolute value, positive value. Therefore root 3. Now can you tell me what is the value of root 3 in the form of tan from trigonometric table? That is, you can say tan 60. And tan 60 in the radian form you can write pi by 3. Clear? Yesterday we discussed pi mean 180 degree. 180 by 3, 60. Pi radian 180 degree. 180 by 3, 60 degree. When you compare, what is the value of alpha? Tan alpha is equal to tan pi by 3. Therefore, alpha is equal to pi by 3. And your point means the value of A. A is 1 and B is minus root 3. A is 1 and B is minus root 3. This point lies in which quadrant? Can you tell? This point, x positive, y negative. X positive, y negative. It means fourth quadrant. Lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant lies in fourth quadrant, and the fourth quadrant argument of Z, fourth quadrant argument of Z minus alpha. What is the value of alpha? Pi by 3. And argument of Z means theta. Clear? Now देखिए theta R Therefore answer Z is equal to R. What is the value of R? 2 cos theta, theta you know, minus pi by 3 plus iota sine minus pi by 3. This is the polar form. Here this is the answer. Correct? Now we take one more question. Same pattern. One more question. Z is equal to, one more question we solve. Z is equal to minus 1 minus iota. Z is equal to minus 1 minus iota. Z is equal to A plus iota. We compare. The value of A is minus 1 and B is also minus 1. Correct? Find R. Square root of A square plus B square minus 1 square plus minus 1 square and root 2. And second step is find tan alpha. Tan alpha formula you know, B by A. What is the value of B? Minus B by minus 1. On simplification, that is 1. And in the form of 10. In the form of 10. 10 की फॉर्म में 1 किसकी वैल्यू होती है? tan 45. And 45 in the form of radian you can write pi by 4. Pi mean 180 degree. 180 by 4. 180 by 4, 45. When you compare, what is the value of alpha? Pi by 4. And you know that this point lies in which quadrant? Lies in both negative. The value of x and y both negative. Lies in third quadrant. Lies in third quadrant. And in third quadrant, argument of z. In third quadrant, argument of z, you know, minus pi minus alpha. Argument of z in third quadrant minus pi minus alpha. What is the value of alpha? Minus pi. What is the value of alpha? Pi by 4 on simplification. 4 pi minus 1 pi. 3 pi by 4. Therefore answer z is equal to polar form. Put the value of r and theta in this. Put the value of r and theta. Root 2 cos theta minus 3 pi by 4 plus iota sine minus 3 pi by 4. Clear? This is the answer. Okay. Thank you.